Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm doing part 3 about profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the scrapbook niche. The scrapbook niche has amazing potential. There is massive opportunity in the scrapbook niche, and this is coming from my own experience as well as backed by many KDP sellers who get out there on YouTube and talk about their experience to do with the scrapbook niche. But what I'm doing different is I'm going to reveal to you profitable KDP keywords that have to do with the scrapbook niche, so to make it easy for you and to give you the shortcut to go ahead and create profitable scrapbooking books using these keywords. And in order to do so, I'm using 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability metrics. I've previously done a video a while ago, linked in the description box below, about my process using these Chrome extensions and how to use them yourself to make your own Amazon KDP research to find and reveal profitable keywords. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP profitable keywords, as well as tips and strategies to help you make passive income online. That's backed by my own personal experience. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is scrapbook paper Bible verses. And scrapbook paper Bible verses has a total result of 3,071. It's a little bit too high, but it's still good. It's still a keyword that has massive potential and will open up the doors for different sub niches as well. So it has a total results of 3,071. I'm going to show you exactly how you can niche down to get that number as low as possible. Also, the average bestseller rank is sitting at 329,232, which is within 300,000 for the bestseller rank, which is exactly what we're looking for. Average reviews are 265 and average price is $11.34. For the keyword niche score, we have Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 9, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Now, number 9 is the highest when it comes to the keyword niche score that Amazon Scout Pro has to offer us. So one way to niche down is to create a scrapbook paper Bible verses for children, for adults, for specific careers as well, for moms, for dads, and target these specific Bible verses for your target audience. Also, another thing is you could create a scrapbook paper Bible verses to and niche down basically to do with the theme of the overall scrapbook paper. So whether you want that to be floral, botanical, vintage, retro, Christmas, any sort of theme, you can niche down based on the theme and the look and the aesthetics of it, but still include that value and still fulfill your promise that you will include the exact thing that you're claiming, which is Bible verses. Also, you could go ahead and sub-niche based on the size. So you could offer a 8.5 times 11 inches, which is a large print scrapbook paper Bible verses size. You could also do it a 6x6, a 8x8. You could go ahead and do a 12x12 inches. That is if you want specifically on the sizing. My apologies, I've just been tongue twisted this morning, but I'm going to try my best to get this video out for you in as little short time as possible and get as much value as I can from these wonderful niches. So that was the first keyword for the day. The second keyword for the day is pastel Halloween scrapbook paper pad. Pastel Halloween scrapbook paper pad, wonderful keyword right here. We're sitting at a total results of 2,095, which is much more lower than the previous one. The average bestseller rank is below 300,000, which is what we're looking here. The less the better, and it's currently sitting at an average of 183,936. Average reviews are 22. Average price is $13.01, and we have a strong keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this keyword as a nice niche, and they've given us a number 8 for the keyword niche score. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score provided by Titans because we've got this beautiful data right here, and this is exactly why you could activate, and you should activate, all 4 Chrome extensions, so you can have some data to compare against, and you can have some tools to clarify the profitability, and always use your own common sense. Always check for trademark before you use any term. In this case, we could sub-niche and dive into further mini niches exactly the same way as I said for the previous keyword as well, which is make a version for adults, make a version for children, make a version based on the different sizing. Some people like 8.5 times 11, a large print. Some people like it more of a desktop scrapbook paper, which is a smaller pocket size version, and so forth. So create differentiation, create different styles as well. You could also niche down based on the Halloween figures. Stay away from the trademark characters of Halloween, but stick to Halloween elements. For example, in this case, what would be a good element would be for Halloween, we've got ghost witches, we've got bats, we have pumpkins, we have spooky skeletons, these kind of things. So incorporate all these elements in there and you'll be good to go as well. So that was the second keyword. What about the third keyword for the day? The third keyword also has to do with Halloween, and that is Halloween scrapbook paper double-sided. So this one has amazing potential. First of all, we've got a really strong keyword niche score of 75 by Titans Chrome extension. Green light, ready to go. Also a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which also gives us a plus. So we've got clarification from both Chrome extensions, clarifying the strength of this keyword, also coming to the total results. And yes, I do hear you, it is a little bit high, but I'm going to talk about how you can cut through that. Total results of 4,441. Average bestseller rank is within that 300,000, so it gets our approval, and it is currently averaging 332,580. Average reviews of 37. Average price is sitting at $13.38. Now, what can you do about the total results being in the 4,000 range? Well, one strategy is to cut through that total results and get it as low as possible by sub-niching to different niches, different characters of Halloween, different themes, such as if you want to create a vintage Halloween scrapbook paper that's double-sided, if you want to create a floral Halloween, if you want to create a retro themed Halloween scrapbook paper. This is based on the themes and the look and the feel of it. That's one way to go about it. Another way, if you want to create a matte or a glossy version, that's also something that people buy based on their preference. Some people prefer just a glossy scrapbook paper because they love the look and feel that it adds to their illustrations, or adds to their journals or their planners, or anything that they're using it for. Some people prefer it based on the sizing in terms of an 8.5 times 11 large print. Others prefer it pocket size, so on and so on as well. So utilize this amazing keyword. That's one strategy, is to cut through the total results by niching down. Another strategy is, if you have anything in your portfolio at the moment that has to do with Halloween and scrapbook paper combined as a product in Amazon KDP, go ahead and add this keyword in your 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking. But it needs to be Halloween and it needs to be a scrapbook at the same time as well. So add this, utilize this amazing keyword in your 7 keyword slots for any Halloween scrapbook paper product that you currently have on Amazon KDP. So we have finished today's video, and I'm quickly going to summarize the 3 keywords that we talked about. But just before we do that, go ahead and check out the 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below, when it comes to KDP keywords and KDP interiors, as well as graphics and digital scrapbook paper that you can use for your interiors. And the first keyword was scrapbook paper Bible verses with a keyword niche score of 90. Second one was pastel Halloween scrapbook paper pad with a keyword niche score of 8. And lastly, we have Halloween scrapbook paper double-sided with a keyword niche score of 9. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.